So glass fusing is considered a warm glass art, which means that we use kilns, which are electric ovens. We will be melting, we'll be talking about the tools that are required from a very basic standpoint, all the way from glass cutters up to kilns. We'll be looking at making art with a whole bottle. So it's just the bottle with, we'll add amazing things to it, make it amazing. Then we'll talk about different ways to cut bottles and then how to use those parts to make amazing art as well. And then we'll talk about what we can add to the bottle glass to take it even to one more level of a coolness.
Hey Curious Mondo fans, thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, check out the other videos in the channel for some fabulous tips, techniques, and interviews with artists.